Guys, this is Inday Janelle, ang ambisyosang YouTuber dito sa Turkey. So, ngayon, igagrant natin yung request ng isa sa ating mga kababayan. What is the difference between a Turkish man and Kurdish man? So, this is a very sensitive issue and a sensitive topic. So, all what I will going to say in this video is just my opinion, my knowledge, what I learned, I asked, and my experience as living here in the country called Turkey for 10 years. Beginning, I don't want to offend people. I don't want even let them regret that they choose this man. I don't want to be very happy of what I have said. I don't want them to be malungkot sa naging decision nila. This is just my opinion in general. So I am living in a city or a place in Antalya, Turkey, where is 90% or 98% Turkish and about 2% Kurdish. So isa din sa pinagkakaiba nila ay ang pananalita. Ang mga Turkish po ay nagsasalita ng Turkish, pero ang mga Kurdish po ay nagsasalita sila ng Kurds. Isa rin po sila sa mga ethnic group ng Iran kasi matatagpuan ang karamihan ng mga Kurdish ay in between Turkey sa border ng Iran. So ang malaking lugar doon ay ang Kurdistan na tinatawag. Turkish na lalaki ay majority ay mga Sunni, pero ang mga Kurdish naman ng mga lalaki ay meron silang mga Shia or tinatawag nilang mga Alevi kasi part po sila ng Iran. There is two ways or two matters. This is all about how they were brought up by their parents. So first, we will talk about the Turkish man. Turkish man, there are two kind of Turkish man, those who are conservative and the modern type or minimal type. So if the guy is conservative, you expect that he's religious and he always follow their parents and the elder. So for the modern Turkish, usually sometimes a little bit stubborn or a little bit naughty because of they are be given opportunity by their parents to decide on their own. So the conservative Turkish man is usually holding their women, controlling their women, deciding for their women, lalong-lalo na po if they are the oldest in the family, they are the only son, or they are the one who is intelligent and everyone is following him. So he always thinks the good for his family, for his parents, for his siblings. So lahat naman po tayo, wala tayong hinahangad kundi ang kabutihan natin, pamilya, mga kamag-anak at para po sa ating kinabukasan. Turkish men or conservative Turkish men and modern Turkish men, usually they have similarity. They are just being raised by their mother, father, being raised well with the culture and tradition. It depends upon where they are. So if they belong to the conservative cities or religious cities, it varies or it matters. Kasi iba po ang pagpalaki ng mga bata sa probinsya sa pagpalaki ng mga bata sa city. Kasi sa probinsya, syempre, wala po masyadong, hindi sila exposed sa maraming mga westernized culture. So ang buhay nila doon ay nakadepende lang sa pamilya, kamag-anak, yung mga nakapalibot sa kanila. Aside po sa city na marami silang ma-explore, maraming mga ibang lahi, ibang nationality na nakakasalamuhan nila, nakakain nila, nakikita nila at i-experience baga nila yung mga western culture. So kung ang lalaking Turkish ay nasa conservative, so a little bit like he is trying to control the family. So if he's a little bit modern, so it depends. Some of them are really like wala silang pakialam or they are very ang tawag dyan, yung liberated. So, but some also, they are controlling their women for the good of the family. So, ganun po yun. Sa mga Kurdish naman po, ito po ay, according to my experience, kasi usually the Kurdish people, they are marrying their own kind, or this is a minority ethnic groups in Turkey. So they are also called Turks because they live here in Turkey, they have Turkish citizenship, so they are Turkish. So that's why, but most of them are living in the east side of Turkey. So most of them are conservative. Most of them wants a son. Most of them really rules the family. Most of them should be followed because they are men. So they are strong. They have to be strong for the family. Kasi po, pag ikaw po ay Kurdish, mostly sa kanila talaga is family man. They are very well protected nila yung kanilang pamilya. Kasi usually ang mga Kurdish, marami silang magkakapatid. Unlike po sa mga modern Turkish ngayon na ang maximum laman nilang pong anak ay 3. So pag usually sa mga Kurdish, ang minimum nilang anak ay 5 at ang minsan umabot pa ng 9 or 10. So I have some friends who marry Kurdish. They are happy because they are accept what the culture they have, the race, the upbringing of them. So, ang diferensya lang kasi, pag ikaw po ay Muslim, nakapag-asawa ka ng religious Kurdish, so normal lang yun sa iyo na very, sila strict sa culture and tradition ng Islam. Pero pag ikaw ay modern, syempre medyo mahihirapan ka kasi hindi ka pwedeng magsuot ng mga swimsuit, two-piece in public. So, even lumabas ka sa mga balcony nyo, you have to cover your hair, you have to be modest. So, usually yun po ang mga pagkakaiba ng mga Kurdish na lalaki at Turkish na lalaki. So, usually, they have no difference. Kasi dito sila lumaki, pareho ang kanilang kinakain, pareho lang ang kanilang pamumuhay dito, pareho ang kinakalihan, pareho sila ng school na pinupuntahan. Ang difference lang is, Kurdish are the ethnic minority of Turkey, while the Turks they are really Turks. Kasi marami pong mga Turks na galit sila sa mga Kurdish. Why? Because when you say Kurdish, they will say it for their perception. Na when you say Kurdish, they are the one, yung mga ayoko nang magsalita. I don't want to say something here kasi baka ma-cut yung aking YouTube channel. So, I don't want to hurt also others. So, yun lang po ang pwede kong ma-share in public at share po sa inyo na there's not too much difference between the pinagkakaiba ng mga Kurdish at Turkish. Ang pinagkaiba lang talaga na ay Kurdish is an ethnic minority and Turkish is Turks. So, yan po. Just learn, ask him, learn when you are here because it's really hard and it's very sensitive issue to give idea between those two because this might cost me in trouble. This might cost you in trouble. So, I have so many Kurdish friends, I have so many Turkish friends, so they are all good. If you are good to them, they are good to you. So ganyan lang po yun, kung anong lahi man, anong nationality, basta mabuti ka sa kanila, mabuti din sila. So sana po may natutunan kayo sa video yung ito. See you next time for our next video. Bye bye.